20th question. What is the mass of precipitate formed when 50 ml of 8.5% of solution of silver nitrate is mixed with 100 ml of 1.865% of potassium chloride? That is, silver nitrate is mixed with potassium chloride. It will form a silver chloride plus potassium nitrate. I think these equations are fully balanced. From this equation, we should know about 1 mole of silver nitrate used for producing 1 mole of silver chloride. 1 mole of silver nitrate interact with 1 mole of potassium chloride to produce 1 mole of silver chloride. Now they are giving 50 ml of, they are asking about what is the mass percentage, mass of precipitate. Here the precipitate is silver chloride. They are asking about the mass of the precipitate. Mass of precipitate. Now they are giving a data 50 ml of 8.5% is given. That is 50 ml of 8.5% is nothing but 50 into 8.5 divided by 1000. Here we are getting in a 4.25. So the silver nitrate is taken by 4.25 grams. Silver nitrate is 4.25 grams. We need a mole. Mole equal to mass 4.25 divided by molecular mass of silver nitrate is nothing but 170. Mass is divided by molecular mass. We can get an answer is 0.025 mole. From this value, we know that 0.025 mole of silver nitrate interact with 0.025 mole of potassium chloride to form a 0.025 mole of silver chloride, because in this scale all the stoichiometric coefficients are same. Then only I told like this, 0.025 mole of silver nitrate form a 0.025 mole of silver chloride. Now I need a mass of the precipitate. Now we can get a mole. Mole is nothing but mass divided by molecular mass. We know that molecular mass of silver chloride is 143.5. Now we need a mass of the precipitate like silver chloride 0.025 into 143.5. We can get an answer near 3.59. This way we are easily calculate the mass of the precipitate silver chloride. So the answer is answer for this question is 3.59 grams. Then 21st question. The mass of a gas that occupies a volume of 612.5 ml at room temperature and pressure is 1.1 gram. The molar mass of a gas is now what they are given. First we know what they are given. The mass of the gas occupies the volume. So gas occupies the volume is 612.5. The gas is occupied 612.5 ml at room temperature. So room temperature means we are using a 25 point. Room temperature means we are using in a volume 25.4. Then they are giving another information. The mass of the gas is 1.1 gram. Now they are asking a molar mass divided by molar mass into volume occupied by the into volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at standard temperature pressure is 25.4 equal to the volume occupied by this gases is also given in our sum 612.5. They are asking a molar mass of the gas. So molar mass of the gas equal to 1.1 divided by 612.5 into 25.4 equal to, which is 24.5. Because of room temperature, the STP room temperature, the volume should be in 24.5. Here molecular mass of gases, the given gases. Now we calculate this. From this calculation we are getting a 0.044 milliliter molecular mass. Milliliter is converted into liter, so we can get an 44. Molecular mass is 44. Molecular mass is 44 liters. Molecular mass of given gas is 44. That is 44 grams per mole. Answer. Here the milliliter is converted into liter, so we are adding a 10 to the power of 3 here. So 0.044 is changed into 44. The answer should be in 44 grams per mole. The next question, which of the following contains same number of carbon atoms as in the 6 grams of carbon 12? First we have to calculate the number of atoms present in 6 grams of carbon 12. 6 grams of carbon 12. Number of atoms, the formula is mass divided by molecular mass into Avogadro n. Because they are asking about the number of atoms, then only I add an Avogadro number. 6 grams of carbon 12 is nothing but 6 grams of carbon. Molecular mass of carbon is 12. 2 6 are 12 Na. So half Na means 0.5 Na. Then which is equal to, they are asking which of the following contains the same number of carbon atoms as in 6 grams of carbon 12. And that is same number of atom which is equal to 6 grams of carbon 12. They are asking, first option is 7.5 grams of ethane. Now mass is 7.5. Molecular mass of ethane is, carbon is in 2 carbons, so 24 plus here hydrogen should be in a, molecular mass of hydrogen should be in a 6, so 6 30. So answer should be in a 0.25 here, and this ethane contains 2 carbon atoms, so 0.25 is multiplied by 2, we can get an answer 0.5 in A. In A options, it gives a number of atoms is 0.5 Na. Then B options, 8 grams of methane. 8 grams of methane means mass is 8 grams. Molecular mass of methane is 12 plus 4, 16. Carbon is always 1. So 8 divided by 2 8s are 16. 1 by 2 means 0.5 Na. So option A and option B has an equal number of atom as far as 6 grams of carbon. So A and B both are options answers. So C is a correct answer, both A and B. The next question, which of the following compounds have a percentage of carbon same as that in ethylene? Ethylene, the same we are following mass divided by molecular mass, that the same formula we are using to identify the answer. Here the answer is in a propene. Then next sum, which of the following is true with respect to carbon 12? That is oxidation relative atomic mass is 12U or 12 AMU. which is depends upon the carbon 12. Then oxidation number of carbon is +4 in all the compounds. Now in all the compound does not have an oxidation number is +4. It may be varying. Then third one is 1 mole of carbon 12 contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22 carbon atoms. It's not 22 carbon atoms, it's 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. So it's wrong. All of this, it was also wrong. So which of the following are true with respect to carbon 12 is relative atomic mass is 12. This is not true. Last question, which one of the following is used as a standard for atomic mass? That is carbon 12 act as a standard for the atomic mass. This all 25 questions are asked from a previous NEET question papers. So these questions are important to prepare a NEET exam written by the students. Thank you. Keep watching.